In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can earn extra cash on Facebook aside from Facebook revenue with Amazon affiliate marketing program. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Growbita. In this channel, we teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimidian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime we post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. In the last video I published, I told you guys that you don't need to depend on Facebook revenue, right? That you need to make extra cash from either affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and other means you can actually monetize your Facebook, right? But in this video, I'm going to be sharing how you are going to be making money with affiliate marketing, most especially Amazon affiliate marketing program. Some weeks ago, so many creators were complaining that the money they are making on their videos are now lower than what they were earning before. Right, so and this is because Facebook changed their mode of payment to a performance-based payment. Understand? Performance-based payment actually means that Facebook is going to be paying you based on the way your video performed. You know, before they actually pay you based on views, so far ads is showing in your videos, but they later changed it to this performance-based payment method, and this actually started affecting so many creators because you can see a video of 50 million views earning just like $50, you know, so which is not really right. And a lot of creators were actually diverted from Facebook now to YouTube because the earnings is now lower. So in this case, you don't need to actually leave Facebook. What you actually need to do is to find other ways you can actually monetize your Facebook and make money, which affiliate marketing is one of them, and which I can actually tell you that is the best, because in this channel I actually made over 1 million naira with affiliate link. Understand? Even when my channel is not up to 1,000 subscribers. Affiliate marketing actually means convincing people to buy a product, and when they get that product, you get a commission from it. So one of the affiliate marketing program that I have been using, which I want to introduce to you guys, is Amazon affiliate marketing program. Understand? So all you need to do is to register with Amazon. You know, when you register with Amazon and join their program, you just need to get a link and put this link in your bio or on any post that you're publishing and convince people to buy those products. And once they click on that link to get those products, they're going to be making commission. A lot of people are actually making thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. Understand? But the only thing is that you need to understand how to actually do this. You know, so many people are into product review, and after their review, they will actually tell you that this product is available, that you can use the link in the bio or in the description to purchase the product. And once those people go direct to the link and buy a product, you actually earn. One thing about Amazon affiliate program is that, let me say for instance, I use your link to enter Amazon website, and I ended up not buying your own product, then bought another product. You are still going to be getting commission from that product that the person bought because the person entered through your link, right? So all you need to do as a content creator on Facebook is to understand what is it that my audience wants, what is it that my audience would like to buy. Understand? Then try and make a video that's related to that, and convince them to actually click on the link in the description to buy it. You can see so many content creators always refer you to go to OneX page to register and place a bet, right? You know why they are always telling you to go to OneX page to register and place a bet is because they want to actually earn. Understand? Because they are going to be earning immediately you sign up with one of bets with their link. They are going to be earning money, and once you start playing game, maybe for instance you win, they will actually earn a certain percentage from it as well. Understand? So this is called affiliate marketing. So that's why it's important for you to build a family instead of followers. Right? When you have families, people that can actually patronize what you're selling, they can easily go and click on those links and go and buy it. So for the people actually into comedy skill and the normal skill, there are so many ways you can actually project your affiliate product, right? You can actually make a video related to that and actually tell people to use the link in the description or in your bio to buy those products. Understand? And you see that when people started buying that product, you are going to be making money, and most times you see that the money you're making from those affiliate links is even more than what Facebook is actually going to be paying you. So if you want to join Amazon affiliate program, use the link in the description. I made a video on how to create an account with them, and it's very simple. Once you click on the link in the description, watch the video from beginning to the end, and it will guide you step by step on how to join this program. So guys, hurry up and click on the link in the description and go and watch the video and learn how to create those accounts, join the program, and start making money for yourself. So this is where I'm going to be bringing this video to an end. So if you have any question you want to ask me concerning this particular topic, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be making a video to explain it better for you guys. Alright, so thank you for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are really amazing, and if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if this is your first time in this channel, I would urge you to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we post amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them. Right, and don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video.